What's going down, YouTube? Jared, RedRacer video. Thanks so much for joining us for another one today. Hey guys, I told you guys last week that my car was going in for some work on the turbo. Trip number feels like 3,000 to try and get this thing running right with the turbos that are in there and fitment, not melting stuff. The car did go away. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what happened. This is just a quick car update today, letting you guys know that the car is back and we are this close to having it ready to roll. We still got a little bit of tuning work we're going to do on it, and then we'll be ready to roll. But we got the new sensor installed, the one that I thought was going bad. And we'll find out when we do the data logging if that's actually true. But just going to show you a little bit of the footage today, kind of show you what we had to do with the turbo, show you some of the pictures, show you a little bit of the work that Brian at Thomas Speedworks did for me. And we are doing that right now.
So anyway, there's not much to see because it's so packed in there. But the part that is most important is that right there. Now don't worry about where the hose clamps are on the hose. Okay. Because the hose clamps are down where the barbs are. Because anytime you clamp a silicone hose, you have to clamp up against the barb. Okay. You can't clamp past it. Because then if there's a load, it will slide, and all it needs to do is move, and it gains momentum. And
comes off.
But up there, you can see where I've wrapped the tube, where it passes through the exhaust manifold. Okay. Now that one piece there is to push the hose or the tube away from the brake line. So I didn't want to start it to get it under the lift.
Yeah.
So I get in, I couldn't figure out how to turn the accessory on.
I thought about calling and telling you that.
So
I was wondering.
I jacked the back end up with a floor jack.
Yeah.
Put a rag around your hook on the front, had to come along to the shelf, winch the thing forward. Once it was moving, it wasn't bad, but getting it moving,
yeah.
I kept thinking, it must be these gigantic brakes. I can't get over the brakes. Well, it's probably the fact that the tires are that wide and I got 4 of them.
Oh, yeah.
So once I got the car rolled up there, everything was fine. So I have not started it. That's one thing I do not do is I don't start cars.
All right, so nothing crazy. Not a lot of excellent footage to show you. And as you guys can see, everything is packed in there like sardines. It's not really a good opportunity. I can't really show you guys a whole bunch of what went on. So hopefully the pictures that were there and hopefully a little bit of what Brian said kind of made sense. But we essentially had to cut that turbo apart, reclock the turbo. There was a whole bunch. He actually reclocked the driver's side turbo for me too to change things up just slightly. So Brian, thank you so much, man. I appreciate everything you did on the car. I could not be happier with the way it turned out. It looks very, very clean under there. And the turbo definitely fits a lot better than the way it fit when the kit came from AGP. So a little bit of fine tuning that had to be done there, but it was pretty labor intensive. Car was down at Brian's for like a week. He wasn't working on it for a whole week. He's got a shop behind his house, beautiful shop, as you saw in the video there. But Brian was able to knock that out. Thanks so much, Brian. I appreciate you doing that. And hope you guys like that video. A little bit of behind scenes stuff so you kind of can see what we're dealing with on this car and kind of why these turbos have been such a hassle. You can see space is just not something that we have an abundance of under there. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to keep this video short. Today's video is just about that. So that's going to be all. We got a lot of stuff coming, guys. We're going to go data log this week. I'm going to make a video about that so you guys can see how to data log using HP tuners and the MPVI2. So I'll show you guys a little bit of that coming up this week. Got a lot of videos coming. The car is home. It's this close to being done. We got a lot of fun car videos coming, guys. Not to say that I'm not going to record any more videos where I just talk and bore you guys to death. There'll still be some of those, obviously. But a lot more action coming your way, and it's coming soon. So if you haven't already, hit the like button. Make sure you go down and hit subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell next to subscribe so you guys know when we have new videos that come out. Keep your eyes closed on RedRacer video. We got a big summer coming, guys, and I cannot wait. Thank you so much to everybody that's been involved in this process. Thanks to everybody that's supported me, believed in me, and been there for me, helped me get things done, helped me iron things out. I really appreciate all of you so much. I cannot tell you enough how much I appreciate you. That was my son's remote control car. He's out there racing. But anyhow, that's all, guys. Thanks so much to everybody. Appreciate the support. I love you all. Catch you guys in the next RedRacer video.